Welcome everyone. Today I'm going to talk about this phone, the Micromax A96. It was released during 2014 and was one of the best phones at that time. Though its RAM was little less, but still it had a quad-core processor and the camera was very good. You can see it had a 5 megapixel camera with a flash. And the screen, you can see it's broken now, and the phone doesn't work anymore, but still it has a removable battery here. So today I'm going to show a teardown of this phone, okay? And it didn't have any very good display, normal touchscreen display, and it had 3 home button, application button and back button. These were all touch sensitive. So let's begin with the teardown. So the battery you can see is a 4000 mAh battery, lithium polymer battery, Micromax, and there is some caution written. There is some Micromax A96 IMEI number. You can see the made in China label, and the RAM was too less. It was about only 512 MB and it had a 8 GB storage. It priced about 8,000 rupees at the time of its release. So let's begin. Here you can see the speaker. So let's start. I don't have too many instruments, so I'm just using knives to remove the screw. Okay, you can see some of the screws have been removed already. Let's start with this one. And see, it has so many screws, but all of the same size. The screws are rusted too. It has no water resistance or nothing. Just the last 2 screws remaining. So you can see now all the screws have been removed. Now let's remove the upper display. You can see it is stuck with the help of an adhesive. See, this adhesive is coming out. And the display is coming out. You can see it is attached to the motherboard with the help of some wire kind of stuff. These are all the sensors. It is stuck very hard. Now you can see this is the display. It is stuck with the so hard adhesive. Here you can see the 2 megapixel camera. These are some sensors here. And it's the display. These are the touch sensitive buttons. So much of dirt in here. This again you can see the speaker. The camera, it seems it has optical stabilization, but it's not so. The camera is really loose. And the sensors, I don't think they work now. Let's take out the body. Here you can take a look. Here is the motherboard and all these things. The screen is smooth. And it's a bit sticky due to the adhesive. Here you can see. You can see I'm trying to remove the body. See the power button. This is a plastic power button. See the phone coming out. It's really hard. They have applied a lot of adhesive. You can see this part is not coming out to me. finally I managed to remove it. Here is the phone. Here is the where I place it. You can have a look. And here is the body. You can see the camera. It is scratch resistance. No scratches yet. No scratches neither. And no scratches. Very good cover they have used. This was the body. You can see here. This is the speaker. I guess this contains the sound balls. Okay, we'll check this out later. Let's have a look at this. You can see this is the battery, here is the SIM, and this is again the 5 megapixel camera. Here see, let me take this out. You can see one of the wires coming out like this. You can see the motherboard out coming. These are the power buttons. These have come out, and here I can see a gap. Okay. I need to remove this part first. Okay. So for that, you can see the motherboard has come completely out, and this is the interior part. Now this is something nice. You can see the 0.2 MP camera here. It's so cute kind of thing, so small, and I don't think it even has a lens or something, but it's too small here, and no sensors, nothing. And this is the SIM tray here, and this is some chip here. Okay, but still the camera of the main primary camera is still in here. You can see it is still stuck, and here are some wires. Here is one wire which was fixed here. I removed it, and these are some. So basically I need to remove this even. Here you can see also the mic is present. This part you can see the adhesive here. It's so much of the adhesive they have used. See the mount, and it's very sticky. So I have taken out this adhesive. Now this one is looking even cleaner. But it's still sticky all here. And here is one more. Okay, so now I need to take this part of the body out. Finally I managed to take this screen out. I have to be very careful so that I do not crack the screen. And you can see no shininess. Here is the screen. Now I've taken all the components out. Just the motherboard, the power button, and body, the battery. The camera, this camera is still intact. They have kept it fixed. Let me try to take it out. And finally I managed to take the camera out. Here's a 5 MP camera, very small. Here you can see the lens. The screen. Let me check the screen. This screen for a screen test. So let's start. You can see this is no scratches. No scratches first, you can see. No scratches. Check this. Then a lot of noise is coming. Let me check. Still no visible scratches. You can check. No scratches. Let's check with this. I guess there are some scratches. Here in this region you can see there are some scratches. Don't forget to like the video, and I'll be back with some new videos. Peace.